This is the district level practice exam solutions. Okay. Now choose the correct answer for the given questions. The prime factorization of the number 120 is, there are 4 options. Let us see which one is correct. So I'm going to write here 120. I'll divide with the 2. 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6. And 2 15s are 30. Now 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are. So how many 2s are there? It is 2 raised to 3, 3 raised to 1, 5 raised to 1. Which one is suitable? You can see D. D option is the correct answer for this. Fine. In the second question, the graph y is equal to f of x. So this is the graph is shown in the figure. For some polynomial, the number of zeros of f of x is, you can see this is the x-axis and this is the graph. Now it is intersecting at 1, 2, 3. So number of zeros is 3. So the correct option is B. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. Okay. If DE is 5 centimeter, so DE is 5 centimeter. BC is 8 centimeter. So I'm going to write here. AD is 3.5. So AD is 3.5 centimeter. Then the length of the AB is how much? So there are 4 options here. So there is a formula to solve this. That is AD divided by AB, okay, is equal to DE divided by BC. So this is the formula. Now what is AD? It is 3.5 divided by AB is equal to 5 by 8. Now to get AB, okay, now I am going to write 3.5 into reverse this. It will be 8 by 5. 5 ones are 5 7s are 35. That is 0.7. 7 8s are 56. So since there is a decimal point, so the answer is 5.6 centimeter. So the correct answer is A option. Now in the second main, answer the following these 2 questions. The fourth question is, the highest power or degree of polynomial p of x is equal to 3x cube minus 4x square plus 5x raised to 4 minus 3x plus 4. Now here this is the variable x and the highest power is how much? 4. So I can write highest power or a degree of this given polynomial is 4. Understood? The highest power is 4. Now fifth question is, if LCM of the 24, 36 is 72, then find the HCF. So what I am going to do here is, I am going to write 24 like this and 36. Here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are and 3 1s are. Fine. So 24 can be written as 2 raised to 3 and 3 raised to 1. And here this side, so 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are. So it is 2 raised to 2 and 3 raised to 2. So to find HCF, which is the least in this 2, it is 2 raised to 2. And here the least one is 3 raised to 1. So 2 square is 4 and this is 3. 4 3s are 12. So HCF is 12. Now third question, solve the following questions and all these carries 2 marks. In that sixth one, prove that 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. Let us assume that 3 plus root 5 is a rational. Okay. Now here 3 plus root 5 is equal to a by b, where a and b are integers. Fine. Now I'm going to take this 3 on the right hand side. Write this root 5 as it is, a by b minus 3. Okay. Now take LCM. So root 5 is equal to a minus 3 into b divided by b. But this is a rational. Okay. The fact is root 5 is an irrational number. Okay. Since our assumption is incorrect. Okay, since our assumption is incorrect, we conclude that 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. Okay. Now, seventh question is, if the 1 zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus x minus 2k plus 2 is minus 4. So, one of the zeros is minus 4. Then find the value of a k. Now, here what I am going to write is, in place of p of x, I am going to write 0. And in place of x, I am going to write minus 4. Okay. Again, in place of x, I am going to write minus 4. Then 2k plus 2. 0. Minus 4 square is 16. Minus into minus is plus. Take this minus inside the bracket. So 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 minus 2 is 18. Minus 2k. Take this minus 2k on the right hand side. It will become plus. And k is equal to 18 by 2. So the value of k is 9. Okay. Eighth question is, in the given shown figure, that is, okay, this is a, x, and this is b, this is c, and this is y. Okay, xy is parallel to bc. Now ax is how much? P minus 3, and bx is how much? 2p minus 2. Ay is 1 and cy is 4. Now there is a formula to solve this, and that is ax divided by x into b, ay divided by yc. So here I am going to write p minus 3 divided by 2p minus 2, ay is 1 and yc is 4. Now cross multiply this. If you cross multiply, then it will be 4p minus 3 and this will be 2p minus 2. Fine. Now multiply this. It will be 4p minus 4 3s are 12 is equal to 2p minus 2. Take minus 2, take this minus 12 on the right hand side and 2p on the left hand side. Minus 12 becomes plus 12 and plus 2p becomes minus 2p. So 4 minus 2 is 2. 12 minus 2 is 10. So p value will become 10 by 2 is 5. So p value is 5. Now ninth question is, find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial p of x is equal to 4x square minus 4x minus 3. Fine. Now I'll consider this as a 0. Now 4 3s are how much? 12. Since there is a minus, I have written minus here. Now you need to tell two numbers. If I multiply, I must get minus 12, and if I add, I must get a minus 4. Now I can write 6 2s are 12. Okay, minus 6 plus 2, plus into minus is minus, minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. Okay, now I'm going to write 4x square minus 6x plus 2x minus 3. In this 2 and in this 2, what is common? It is 2x is common. Okay, now what is remaining? 2x minus 3. In this 2, nothing is common. If nothing is common, then it is 1. So what I need to write? 2x minus 3. Now here also 2x minus 3, here also 2x minus 3. So I'm going to write 2x minus 3. And what is remaining? 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. So 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. And this one, 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now 2x, take this minus on the other side, it will become plus, and this 2 will go to denominator. Fine. Now here 2x, take plus on the other side, it will become minus, and this 2 will go to denominator. So this is your final answer. Now 10th question is, in given shown figure, so this is the figure, if DE, you can see here, DE is parallel to AC, DF is parallel to AE, then prove that BF divided by FE is equal to BE divided by EC. Now I am going to consider two triangles. In triangle, one is ABC, okay, another in triangle ABE. So I have considered two triangles. In this ABC, I am going to write DE is parallel to AC as in the given, and here this side DF is parallel to AE. Fine. Now ABC, BD divided by DA, BD divided by DA, BD divided by DA is equal to BE by EC, BE by EC. Now if I consider only this ABE, again I need to write BD divided by DA is equal to BF divided by FE. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. If I compare these two equations, then I'll cancel these two because these two are same. Okay, so let me write here equation 1 and this as the equation 2. Comparing equation 1 and 2. So what are remaining? Remaining is BF divided by FE is equal to BE divided by EC. This completes your answer. Now main fourth, solve the following questions, and all these carries 3 marks. In that 11th one, prove that root 2 is an irrational number. Now let us assume that root 2 is a rational number. Fine. Then next I am going to write root 2 is equal to A by B, where A and B are integers, or you can write co-prime. Fine. Now cross multiply this. So B root 2 is equal to A. Squaring on both the sides. Squaring both the sides. So B root 2 square is equal to A square. So this will become B square. Square and root get cancelled. So it is A square. Now here I can write 2 divides A square. Also 2 divides how much? A. Now consider A is equal to 2C. Fine. Here square this. So A square is equal to 2C square. This can be written as 4C square. Now substitute in this equation, that is equation 1. Equation 1 becomes, okay, so it is 2b square. In place of a square, I am going to write 4c square. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So it is b square is equal to 2c square. Same like how I have written here. Here also 2 divides b square. Also 2 divides b. Now here there is a a and there is a b. A and b, what I can write is a and b have at least, here also 2, here also 2. So 2 as a common factor. But the fact is A and B have no common factor, okay, other than 1. Other than 1. Now A and B have no common factor other than 1. Since our assumption is incorrect that root 2 is rational, because we have considered root 2 as a rational. Therefore, we conclude that root 2 is irrational number. Irrational number. Now 12th question is, find a quadratic polynomial, the sum and the product of whose zeros are -3 and 2 respectively, and solve it. Okay. Let the quadratic polynomial be ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Fine. Now sum is equal to minus b by a and product is a c by a. Fine. What is sum given here? It is -3 is equal to minus b by a, and product is 2 is equal to c by a. You can see here minus and minus get cancelled. Fine. Now b value will become 3. Here c value will become 2. Now what about a? You can see on this side and this side a. So denominator part is 1. So a value will become 1 from both the sides. Okay. Now substituting this a value, b value and c value here in this. So a is 1, so I am going to write 1. B is 3, so I am going to write 3. C is 2 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic polynomial. Now, fifth main, solve 13th question, that is state and prove basic proportionality theorem, also called as the Taylor's theorem. To write this, there is a 4 marks. First, you need to write the statement. Okay. Now, the statement is, now in the statement, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in the distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Now, what is your triangle? So, let me draw a triangle and I'll name it as a B, C. Okay, here also I'm going to write in a triangle ABC. okay, in which a line is parallel to side BC. So this is BC. I need to draw a line which is parallel. So I have drawn, okay, side BC to intersect the other two sides, the other two sides. This is BC, this is parallel, and this is intersecting at AB and AC at what? D and E respectively. Okay, over. This is over. Now what we need to prove? We need to prove that the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. It means what? AD by DB. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. AE by EC. Now to prove is also over. Construction part. In construction part, join BE and DC. Join BE and DC. Now draw DM. This is DM perpendicular to AC. And draw EN perpendicular to AB. Construction part is also over. Now proof. So there is a formula. Area of a triangle is half into base into height. This is the formula for a area of a triangle. Now I am going to consider first ADE. So area of triangle ADE and BDE, you can see here. First I am going to write half. Now if I consider this triangle, so the base will be AD. You can see here height is EN. So I am going to write EN. Again here in triangle BDE, half, that is this. What will be the base? It will be DB. Height will remain same, that is EN. Half and half get cancelled, EN and EN get cancelled. So what is remaining? AD by DB. Fine. Now this time I am going to consider CDE. Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle CDE. Okay, half. This time I am going to consider this side, that is the base will be AE and height will be DM. Half. CEC will be the base. Height is same, that is DM. DM and DM get cancelled. Half and half will get cancelled. So it is AE by EC. Now what I can write is area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle CDE. Now BDE and CDE are on the same base, that is DE, and between the same parallel, that is BC and DE. So area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle CDE. So from here what did I get? It is AD by DB is equal to area of triangle CDE. What did I get? So it is AE by EC. This completes your entire theorem. Also this completes your entire paper.